Hello all friends, Assalamu alaikum from me. Some days ago we talked about lawlessness and violence in Pakistan and outcomes which may come in future. In states, the crime of murder is always regarded as a crime against the states. Such states never spare such criminals, nor do they ever accept any settlement between the two parties. In our country, the offenders mostly remain unknown and they are very rarely traced. Practically, there exists little supremacy of law and constitutions in our country that may guarantee peace to the common masses. The areas that are comparatively peaceful are so because they observe their traditions and values. The institution of state justice should be so strong that no citizen may ever have the courage to break the law. Any breach of law dealt with must be dealt with an iron hand without any discrimination of the high or the low, or the rich or the poor. Our past stories have many heroes who were robbers and dacoits. They had their hideouts in forests or caves from where they came out periodically and to rob the rich people. They distributed this looted wealth among the poor and the needy. These bandits were in fact rebellions who revolted against the injustice of the ruling class. One young man of the present age are also recreationaries. Violence in the street is usually carried out by the angry young men of our society who react explosively against the practice injustice done to them or their families. If we want to eliminate lawlessness in Pakistan, we will have to go to the grassroots level. We will have to eliminate its causes altogether. For this purpose, we will have to devise certain programs that may attract our youth to healthy and productive activities. Opportunities of higher education and job employment should be provided to every young person so that they may play their constructive role. At the same time, they should be made aware of their religious and moral commitments. Above all, our judicial system should really be free from any influence whatsoever. Only an effective, neutral, and speedy judicial system can bring back peace to our disturbed land. Thanks. Thank you very much. Please share these videos and encourage me and also give me guidance. Thanks a lot for your cooperation and guidance. Thank you very much.